Shape attribute. In ZW3D 2019, any shape can be added attributes individually, and all shape attributes could be managed in 3D BOM. From History Manager, you can select more than one shape. Right-click and choose Shape Names command. Rename the shape by the rule, which can be changed to the same. Combine the prefix and variation rules. You will get a series of shape names. Right-click on a shape. You can access to Shape Attribute command. Modify the attribute according to the requirements. Next, with Material Attribute command, we can add the material properties to shapes. We recommend the users manage the shape attributes in 3D BOM. Check the attribute column to manage. The stock attribute needs to be refreshed manually. Click this regeneration button to update other attributes. Click OK. The Define Shape attributes also can be used directly in a 2D drawing. In BOM Table command, if you check Inherit 3D BOM option, then the attributes will be called automatically from the 3D BOM. Of course, we can manually customize the 2D BOM. With Shape Attribute, ZW3D has flexible modeling capabilities to meet various needs.